got regular Cheetos and I got hot Cheetos. I can't do an intro. It's not my journey. Take. Hey guys, what's up? For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sandy. For those of you who know me, what's up? It's your girl Sandy. I wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in wherever you are. I really appreciate it. Even though there's probably like 5 of you, I still think that that's really dope. So I want to say thank you to you guys. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Colourpop Twinkling Lights Holiday Collection. This is a collaboration with Colourpop and Kathleenlights. I'm a huge Kathleenlights fan. I think she's gorgeous. She puts out great product. I love her collaborations. I love her nail polish. Pretty much everything she touches is gold, in my opinion. But I may be partial just because I'm a big fan. But I still think that her products are really good and I always recommend them to people. So I'm really excited to test this product out, see how I like it, you know, the vibe I get. So if you guys would like to see my review on the Kathleenlights and Colourpop Twinkling Lights collection, then stay tuned. So last week, Kathleenlights announced her collaboration with Colourpop for the Twinkling Lights collection. It's kind of like a mini holiday collection, something around Christmas and New Year's that she could put out for her fans and for her to use. I didn't actually buy the entire collection. I purchased everything except for 2 of the lips. I didn't purchase the ultra glossy lip in Nightlight. That's more of the brownish one, and I think it would look great on deep skin tones as a nude or medium to deep skin tones, but I'm very pale and I don't think that browns usually pull well on me, and it's not something that I feel like I could put on top of a lip as like a gloss or anything. So I decided not to buy that one. And then I also didn't purchase the shade Lucky Star because that's a very red shade and they don't look good on me. Like, reds really do not look good on me, in my opinion. Maybe because I have red hair. I've seen plenty of redheads who look great in red lipstick, but I'm just not blessed in that category. So I've just accepted that fate and I didn't purchase that lipstick because I don't think it would look good on me. This is what the collection looks like right here. This is the 4 Super Shock shadows. This is the ultra glossy lip. This is the ultra matte lip that I bought. They're in the same package, so they could be backwards. I don't know. I just said that. I hope I'm right. Does it matter? No, it doesn't. But this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's really cute. It's very holiday-esque. It says Twinkling Lights, well, Kathleenlights x Colourpop, Twinkling Lights Super Shock Shadow Foursome. And you can slide your little carton out and it holds the shadows within it. So these are what the shadows look like. I'm not sure you can really tell. Wow, my light is 10 out of 10 in the way. I'm really sorry. I'm not a professional, like whatever, right? I'll pull them out so that you can see what they look like. So I'll open them individually because I'm gonna use some of them. Probably not all of them, but some. Oh, that's cute, girl. That's cute. Oh, I already messed that one up. Great job. So the first shade that we have is called Glisten. It looks like this, kind of a nudish, peachy shade. It has a little bit of sparkle to it. They're all kind of sparkly. Shimmery, I think is a better word. But it looks like this. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but I'm trying. I know people don't like finger swatches because they don't represent how they go on your eyes in application, but I'm just showing you the shades, okay? So calm down. The next shade is called Light Up, and it looks like this. It's kind of duochrome-y. It's very pretty. I think it will look really great all over the lid. I'm pretty sure that she meant for all of these, and by pretty sure I mean I remember her saying this in her video. She meant for all of these to be kind of an all over the lid type of shadow that you could just put on quickly and go and still be looking fly. So we'll see. She's probably very successful in that. This shade is called Light Up. Pretty similar to this one, except it's got some more gold flecks in it, whereas Glisten is, I don't want to say flat. It's not flat. It's not like boring, but it's one shade. Whereas Light Up is definitely duochrome. It's got like very goldish, greenish gold flakes in it, and it's straight on. It's kind of a sparkly mauve shade, but it's very, very, very pretty. I like this one a lot. I think it will look really nice. This next shade is Vela. This is a kind of like a pinky, purpley duochrome shade. You can kind of see when I turn it on my hand. It's right here. It actually pulls kind of orange, but it has pink purplish flakes in it. It's really, really pretty. I like this one a lot too. So far I think these are all really great shades to just use all over the lid, or you know, you throw in a transition shade and you throw this on the lid and it's a really quick look. So far so good. And the last shade is called Blitzen, and it's a pinky, I mean you can see pinky, sparkly, shimmery, not sparkly, shimmery shade, and it looks like this right here. It's very pretty. So now on to the lips. I purchased Little Star, which is the deeper shade of the two. One's red, I didn't purchase that one, and the other is kind of a deep burnt-ish, reddish, burnt orangish, I don't know how to explain it, but it's an ultra matte lip, which I don't actually own many ultra matte lips from Colourpop. I usually aim towards their ultra satin lips because they're hydrating, and I got some crusty crusts. It's just an ongoing issue for me. I've accepted it, and so I just try to stay away from matte lips in general. That's why I love the Colourpop Ultra Satins so much, because they stay for so long, but they're very hydrating. But I still have a couple Ultra Mattes and I still think that they're great. So this is the shade Little Star. Kind of hard to tell. It kind of matches my sweater a little bit. What's up? Hey, by the way, this ain't ugly. I mean, it's ugly, but it's Christmas. My mom made it to me. My mom made it for me. Shout out Mama Twan. You are the true VIP. I've had this sweater for like 8 years, and I don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon because I love it. Here you can see the swatch on my hand. It's a really pretty burnt shade, kind of a burnt reddish, burgundy-ish, orangish. I don't know how to describe it. I'm really bad at describing colors. I don't know what it looks like. It's pretty. I'll put it on my lips and then you can see it. And you saw the swatch, so it's a deep shade. And the final lip that I got is called Étoile. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. It's French, and I'm not French, nor am I Cuban. So I am 0 for 2, but that's okay because I'm trying my hardest. This shade, I think it looks gorgeous. I don't know how to explain it. It's a champagne-y color, champagne-y, pinkish, goldish. You can kind of see it here in the tube, and I'll swatch it on my hand for you. So here is the shade, the glossy shade. It's pretty thick, so you don't have to use it necessarily as a gloss over top. You really could just use it by yourself as a glossy lipstick. I mean, it is an ultra glossy lip, but I think sometimes that can be confused with just a gloss. It's not just a gloss. Don't put her in a box. So what I'm going to do now is bring you guys a little bit closer and start applying these products. PSA, please ignore my under eye bags, as I do not have money for fillers, nor will I have money for fillers anytime soon. So I just live with them. And I embrace them as part of me because they are a part of me. I'm going to start by putting some transition shades in my crease. I'm going to use the Dream Street palette by Kathleenlights. I'm going to keep it one brand. I mean, not my face, but like my eyes. But not my lashes or my mascara. Just the shadow. And my lips will be one brand. Also, I know I'm looking in the viewfinder. I am a noob, so it's fine, right? I'm pretty sure that this is Shooting Star. Just buffing that into my crease with a Morphe 330. I try to take it a little bit above my crease, and by a little bit I mean a lot, because I have semi-hooded eyes, and so if I don't take it above my crease, I'm not going to have any eyeshadow to show, and everything will have been a waste. Now I'm using Potion and just kind of deepening the crease in the outer corner a little bit. But I'm going to try to keep this pretty simple on the, added shadows, because I do know one of her goals was to make these, easy to use without having to do a really extensive look and just then pop these on top. I know that everyone wants to use Blitzen because it's a really pretty pinkish color, and I think a lot of people will gravitate towards that. So I'm going to do the opposite. And I'm not going to use Blitzen because I'm not that creative. I think I'm going to use Light Up. It's the shade right here. Ooh, focus, girl. Focus on me. It's really pretty, so I want to use it. And I'm going to apply it with my finger because I feel like that would be the best way to apply this. If not, I'll go in with a brush, but I want to try it with my finger first. I think that one applied really nice. You can see it's pretty shiny, sparkly. I'm actually going to go back in with the transition shade and kind of clean up, around the edges there. I actually think that's all I'm going to do on the lid. So I'm going to add to the under eye, put on my mascara, and put on my lashes, and then I will be back to show you that look and review the lips. Okay, I'm back. I decided to just do mascara instead of lashes just because I liked the way that it looked with just the mascara and I didn't think that it needed lashes. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I think that it looks really good. Even though it's just really one kind of general shade on my eyes, I still think that it looks like I tried and then I spent a lot of time on it. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, I like the way it looks. I'm pretty happy with it. So now we'll move on to the lips. I zoomed you guys out just a little bit so that you could see them because you can't see my lips if you zoomed in on my eyes. Okay, so these are the two lips I already showed you guys. I can't decide. I mean, I'm going to put both of them on. So I'll probably put on the gloss first because I'm not trying to take off a matte lip and then put a gloss on. This first shade is Étoile, if I'm saying that right. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Okay. So this is Étoile. I think it's a very pretty shade. I don't think this is something that I would wear on my entire lip because it kind of is a lot for me. If you like glossy lips, that's great. I personally don't like wearing glossy lips because I don't like the way that it feels. Now this doesn't feel like, it doesn't feel like annoying, like it doesn't feel gloppy or sticky, which is good. But I don't think that it's something that I would wear all over my lips. Maybe I would for like New Year's Eve, if you trying to be like, bam, hey, then yes, they would be popping. But I do want to try this with another lip combination, which is her shade in What's Your Sign. It's from a former collab with Colourpop, but just a different collection. But she did mention this in her video about the holiday collection and said that she thought this shade would look really good over top of it. So I'm going to try that and I'll be back. Oh yeah, see, I like that a lot. I think that looks really nice because it's not the overwhelming shine, but it gives you that kind of plumpness in the middle of your lips. And y'all know I need that because my upper lip is tucked inside my mouth. It don't exist. So this one is the gloss with What's Your Sign combined with just this just popped in the middle of your lip, and I like that. Now lastly, I'm going to try out Little Star. This is the Ultra Matte Lip. It looks gorgeous. I don't know how it will look with this eye look, but I mean, I'm not really that stressed about it, so. This shade is really nice. I definitely think that this is a great shade. I think it'll look good on all skin tones. I think you should buy it, and you should buy it now, because once it's sold out, it's gone forever. Okay? That's what she said. That's what she told us. So I bought it, and I'm happy. So yeah, I think you should get it because it's great. Look good on everybody. Feels comfortable. Doesn't feel super drying, which I was nervous about just with a matte lip that it would be very drying, but it's really not. Feels good. Looks good. Alright, now my final thoughts on this collection are very positive. I think it's great. I think it's really nice. If you are interested in it or you are thinking about it but couldn't decide, I think you should get it. I think you should give it a shot. The foursome is like $18. Each of these, I believe, is $7. Or you can get the bundle of all 4 lips and 4 shadows for $38. Colourpop is a very affordable brand and they put out really good products. So I always recommend them to people. I think that Kathleen did an amazing job. I think she created some really great shades, some really great products with Colourpop, and I definitely recommend it. And I will be using this again and I look forward to it. It makes me get excited, you know, to do my makeups for the holidays. So I will use these for the holidays because it's a holiday collection and because it's cute. So I wanted to thank you guys again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see when I post in the future. I don't know when that's going to be because I'm not one of those cool girls who are on a schedule. That's not me, but maybe in the future. But thank you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Ah, I was too big. Looks like Flintstones Club.